Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Your front porch is the very first impression your home makes, acting as the welcoming bridge between the outside world and your personal sanctuary. If your entryway is looking a bit bare or tired, adding the right greenery can instantly transform it into a vibrant, inviting haven. Today we are diving into the absolute best plants for your front porch garden, guaranteed to boost your curb appeal, lift your mood, and give your home that stunning designer look from the moment anyone walks up your driveway. Front porch plants are specific varieties of potted flora, hanging baskets, and container greenery curated to thrive in microclimates typical of covered entryways, shaded stoops, or sun-drenched front steps. Choosing the right plants for this space serves both aesthetic and practical purposes. Visually, front porch greenery softens architectural lines, introduces fresh color palettes, and creates a seamless transition between your lawn and front door. Practically, container gardening on a porch offers flexibility. You can easily rearrange plants with changing seasons, protect delicate species from extreme weather, and cultivate high-impact blooms even if you have minimal ground space to dig a traditional garden bed. Choosing the right plants for your front porch involves understanding its unique conditions. A porch is usually partly shaded and requires plants that can thrive in containers, whether simple pots, planter boxes, or hanging baskets. Also, remember that children and pets might be curious and come into contact with these plants. Opt for plants that are easy to care for and grow well in pots, and make sure they match the sunlight conditions of your porch. You can select from 15 stunning options to brighten up your entryway and welcome guests warmly. Before you hit your favorite plant nursery, figure out your porch's sun exposure. A north or east-facing porch will get less sunlight, better suited to shade or partial shade plants. A south-facing or west-facing porch will receive the most light, ideal for full to partial sun varieties. One, hostas. These lush flowering perennials are a gardener's BFF. They thrive in shade and partial shade, come back every year, and bloom with attractive purple flowers in summer. Plant them in the ground around porches and pathways or in containers to add some green by your entryway. 2. Geraniums. Garden geraniums, also called zonal geraniums, add a cheerful pop of color to front yards and container gardens. They'll grow best with bright sunlight, so they're ideal for porches with southern or western exposure, but they can also do well in part shade. Geraniums have a hard time with summer heat, so move containers out of the sun during the hottest parts of the year. 3. Rosemary. Rosemary and other hardy perennial herbs like lavender, sage, thyme, and oregano make excellent plants for a sun-drenched front porch. Plus, you'll have a kitchen herb garden right outside your door. Bring plants inside in the fall, and put them in a sunny window to keep the harvest going through the winter months. 4. Hen and chicks. Succulents are known to need full sun, but some types, including hen and chicks, also called sempervivum, can do well in a spot with part shade like your front porch. Their colorful rosettes naturally multiply to fill a container and will send up late summer flower spikes in the right conditions. 5. Wax begonias. Wax begonias are widely planted as bedding plants, along pathways, and in containers for good reason. These attractive annuals flower reliably even in shade or part shade, giving a north-facing or east-facing front porch a pop of color in summer. 6. Chrysanthemums. When summer fades into cool, crisp fall, mums are a must for your festive front porch. Once the season starts, you can pick them up at farm stands, hardware stores, and supermarkets, in addition to nurseries and garden centers. Note that chrysanthemums are toxic to pets. 7. Boston fern. Lush, Feathery Boston ferns are a classic front porch plant because they're beautiful, low maintenance, and prefer shady conditions. Plant them in urns flanking your porch stairs or front door, or put them in hanging baskets along the edge of your porch's roof. 8. Coneflower. Attract beneficial insects like bees and butterflies to your porch with this bright, colorful native perennial. Look for coneflower in a variety of shades, including the classic pinkish purple. Plant it in a container at least 1 foot deep and wide to accommodate its roots. 9. Fuchsia. Fuchsia, known for its colorful chandelier-like flowers, is the perfect addition to a shady front porch. Plant it in containers or hanging baskets to attract hummingbirds. Keep in mind that fuchsia grows best with moist soil, good humidity, and warm, but not too hot temperatures. 10. Coral bells. These pet-friendly perennials are a staple in home gardens, borders, and ornamental beds. Their colorful foliage remains evergreen all year in regions as cold as Zone 3. Although they're tiny, bell-shaped flowers are small. They're great for attracting pollinators like hummingbirds and butterflies. 11. Coleus. Also known more for its foliage than its flowers is coleus, a popular bedding and container annual that comes in a wide range of colors and combinations. Bring container plants indoors and provide them with a grow light to keep them going beyond one season. Note that coleus is toxic to pets. 12. Petunias. Petunias come in a wide range of colors and growth habits, from grandiflora varieties known for their oversized blooms to trailing types that spill over the edges of containers. They're ideal for an east-facing or south-facing front porch that doesn't get harsh afternoon sun, as too much heat can inhibit reblooming. 13. Dwarf hydrangeas. Want the beauty of hydrangeas but don't have the yard space for full-size varieties? Grow compact and dwarf hydrangeas in pots on your front porch instead. Put them in a spot that gets at least 4 hours of direct sun daily, and water and fertilize potted plants more often than you would in-ground hydrangeas. Hydrangeas are toxic to people and pets. 14. Clematis. This vine with large, colorful blooms will climb just about anything, from mailbox posts to light poles to a trellis on your porch. Plant in well-drained soil, water to maintain moist soil, and keep the planter in a spot that gets 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day, ideally somewhere with morning sun and afternoon shade. Note that clematis is toxic to people, dogs, cats, and horses. 15. Golden Creeping Jenny. The rule of thumb for a beautifully planted container is to include a thriller, a filler, and a spiller that will trail elegantly over the edge of your pot. Creeping Jenny checks that last box with bright yellow leaves that help show off other plants in the same container. Note that the green type can be invasive in the United States, so it's best to plant Aurea, a yellow cultivar. Once you've chosen the best plants for your porch, it's time to plant. And think about other ways you can make your front porch a more comfortable, colorful, and inviting space. Bringing life to your front porch doesn't require a master's degree in horticulture or endless hours of daily maintenance. By selecting plants that match your porch's specific sunlight conditions and pairing them with stylish containers, you create an ever-changing focal point that celebrates every season. Whether you go for dramatic cascading greenery, fragrant flowering perennials, or structural foliage, your front entryway will instantly feel warmer, brighter, and far more welcoming to everyone who stops by. If you found these front porch garden ideas helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring home exterior and landscape tips. What is your absolute favorite plant to display by your front door? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your ideas. Tap the notification bell so you never miss an upload, and we'll see you in the next video.